How to disable Meetup notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can disable Meetup notifications and how do you do so. The first step is to log in into your Meetup account just like I have done here. And so once you're logged in, next step is for you to move to the top right corner. Ensure you're on the home page, all right. Ensure that you're on the home page, and if you're not on the home page, perhaps you're under the explore page. Ensure you move to the bottom part of the screen and click on the home icon. Then once you're on your home page, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. So you'll be brought to your profiles page. On this page, move to your top right corner as well and click on the gear icon, which stands for your settings icon. And so you'll be brought to your settings page. So on this page, you can see the option preferences and then push notifications. So once you can see that, just go ahead and click on it. So after clicking on it, you'll be brought to the notifications page. So in order for you to disable notifications, just click on move to the right side of the alarm notifications and then tap on the toggle this way. And after clicking on the toggle would go off, and that means that your notifications has been disabled. Then to enable it again, click on it. To disable, tap on it and it will be disabled. So that is it. This is how you can disable notifications on Meetup. Thank you for watching and have a good day.